So if you're trying to sell digital products online so you can make some passive income in your sleep, well, let me tell you a secret. If no one sees your product, no one buys your product. And I know it's absolutely mind-blowing, and a lot of people struggle with digital product sales because they list them on their own website and then they are like, why is no one buying? Because they are just expecting people to magically show up. When that doesn't happen, they end up selling like 2 things to a friend or a family member and then they close the shop. And it doesn't help that when you Google things like best places to sell digital products, you can get answers like Shopify and WooCommerce, which is, valid, but passive income wise, it completely misses the point, which is that you want marketplaces, not just platforms. So you can really take advantage of the free traffic that already exists in marketplaces because they have customers already. You get instant free organic exposure to millions of customers with via intent browsing through your product. If you are selling digital products already and you're looking to expand your business and reach a wider audience for free, then this video is also for you. But for each of these 5 marketplaces, I am going to be talking about what you can sell on there, how to open a shop on them, and validating them with a free traffic data. So you can rest assured that your products are likely to be seen. So make sure you stick around all the way till the end of this video to see the extra low competition with fast growing websites that are not as well known. So you can get into those early. Now, full disclosure, I am not sponsored by any of these websites or companies at all. So let's get started with the first site, which is Creative Market. So Creative Market is a website that mainly sells graphics, fonts, and templates, and you can sell add-ons like brushes and digital resources for design, software, as well as photos, web design, and 3D models. As well, traffic-wise, they bring in an impressive average of 3 million visitors per month. They bring in around $2 to $5 million annually. So they're clearly doing something right here. If you want to get a slice of that pie, you can go to their website, go to the top and then click on Open a Shop, or go to creativemarket.com, sell. That's pretty well-known website in the space, and it's generally regarded as a reputable place to buy digital downloads by customers worldwide. But that doesn't mean everyone selling on here is a professional designer. There's a lot of freelancers on here of varying quality, and it gives you a reasonable chance to compete. So the next site we are talking about is PNG Tree. PNG Tree is a PNG stock images market, but also you can find a lot of interesting templates and backgrounds here. I have been using this site for more than 3 years now, and the staff are really nice and reply on time. The graphics are good enough and you can almost find anything you're looking for. So as a seller, your payment will be on a pay-per-download basis on PNG Tree. The most you can earn $50 per 1,000 downloads. So people from more than 80 countries visit this website every day, and your work will be highly visible to all around the world. So what you can sell on PNG Tree? PNG Tree offers selling PNG and vector images as well as transparent background, selling clip art, images, and PSD files. So traffic-wise, sum of all the visits on desktop and mobile from the last month on PNG Tree. Stats shows 17.4 million visitors last month with bounce rate of about 42.26%. So it's a great website to go for. So the next site is Envato. It's a leading marketplace for digital assets. Now there's 3 segments to Envato. Firstly, there's Envato Market, which we are on right now. And then there's Envato Elements, and also Place It Now. Envato Market is a collection of niche marketplaces where authors can sell their items directly to customers, and Envato Elements is an exclusive marketplace where they sort of pick the best authors from Envato Market. I'll be referring to Envato Market in this video. Now, Envato Market itself is not actually a one website, but it's a collection of niche marketplaces where authors can sell their work directly to customers. So there's several different subsidiary websites under Envato Market, which are Theme Forest for web themes and templates, Audio Jungle for audio and music, which is actually not accepting new authors right now. Video Hive for video templates and stock video photo and stock video. PhotoJune for stock photos and a graphic reverse. There's also Code Canon for code script and 3D Ocean for 3D print models and CG. And you can sell through any of the subsidiary website on Envato Market. But I'm going to be looking at Graphic River, which is sort of similar to Graphic Market in that you can sell fonts, graphic designs, add-ons and printables. Get around 1.3 million visitors per month. They bring in around $10 to $15 million a month in revenue, which is around 3 times more than the Creative Market. And remember, this is just one subsidiary website of Envato Market. You can sell other things on those other websites, and to sell any of these websites, you just go to the Envato Market site and then click on Start Selling at the top. So the next site is Creative Fabrica. Creative Fabrica is also a site where you can sell creative assets like fonts and graphics and add-ons, and there's a bit more cross-focused than the last two. So things like cutting machine, files, embroidery, and knitting related downloads do pretty well here. Traffic-wise, they are bringing in 2 million to 5 million annual revenue, and visitors-wise, 9.2 million visitors last month. If you want to sell on Creative Fabrica, you need to create an account and then click on Turn My Account into a designer account. And last but not the least, we have Gumroad. Gumroad is an e-commerce company and it also has a marketplace, so that's gumroad.com. Discover, and as you can see, it's not specific to design related digital products. You can pretty much sell anything you want on here that is downloadable. So of course graphics and fonts, but also things like courses and ebooks, and it's kind of like Etsy where you have the freedom to upload what you want. So looking at traffic, Gumroad is clearly pretty strong. It got over 17.6 million visitors per month, and not all of those are going to be customers visiting the marketplace. A lot of them will be sellers, but it does give you an idea of the scale of this company, and it brings in around $10 to $15 million a month, and it's ranked 70 in computers and electronics. If you want to start selling on here, just go to the gumroad.com and click on Start Selling Now. So that's it for today, guys. These are the 5 best websites to sell digital products in the most laziest ways. So let me know down in the comments which of these websites you'll try out next, and I'll see you all in the next video. Take care.